Vegas local time is 10:20. You may continue to use and charge your phones and other small devices if you are sitting in an exit row.
Utah boys coming in, picking me up. What's up, boys? Let's go. Where are we going?
I took it off.
Octane.
What's up?
Brand new pit bike. Celebrity class coming in hot or what?
You took that out of here? Fucking mess in here, dude. What the fuck is it?
Your pit bike exploded putting graphics on.
Yes, I took it off of those. You gotta take off. Come on, man.
Bright red seat on that thing?
Dude, I should just.
Dude, we got KP's ride. And what, this is your old pit bike?
Yeah, it's yours now.
Word up. We get the hand-me-down. I brought my own bars and suspension, and shout out to my graphics company, AM Designs. Already got it set here. We'll see what it looks like when we're all done.
West Coast Peterbilt.
West Coast Peterbilt.
Yeah. Yeah. Right on up and over. Yeah, that way, not towards the truck, right to the boat. Other way, Lloyd. Kyson, straighten it out.
Oh my god,
Why
dude.
did you go that way?
Oh my god.
Holy shit, Lloyd. Nice shot.
Over the cop boat. Drive, bro?
Do I? No, I'm a little rusty. I got my Skechers on.
I want to go fast, dude.
Your dad's Skechers.
Oh!
Hey, that was 80. Ow, fuck. You're not gonna tip. Go. What the fuck is he doing?
I've done this in a car before. Did you really?
Rally car, yeah, I did bang the fuck out of it.
Wakey wake, man. I'm taking over your vlogs.
We're out here, Kyson Vlogs.
Yeah. Guys, vlogs right here. Look at all my trophies. Yo, so you gonna get out of bed or what? Should we go get those rally cars?
Are they ready?
Yeah, he said I could come get them.
Alright, let's go get them.
Oh, whoa, censored.
Censored. So the little preview of the Palmer Compound Pit Bike course going down.
Car course today.
It's a car course.
Pit bikes tomorrow. We'll do cars tonight.
We got all kinds of stuff going down in
Out
Utah.
with the old, in with the new. We're going to get the new ones.
Let's go.
Flash it.
Fresh junker.
Open up. No, he's not, dude. He's lying. You're lying.
I've seen it shaking.
Come on. Cut the shit. Open up. Oh, what up, bitch? Oh my god. Nick, put some clothes on.
Get the fuck up. What up, Octane? It's 3 in the afternoon.
It's like 1:30.
9 a.m.
No, it's not, dude. Your
Just
phone's
fell
full of
asleep,
shit.
dude.
Yeah. Oh my god, are you fucking doing this shit
Fell
again?
asleep level.
Dude.
These babies haven't seen the sun in 2 years.
It's firing, dude. Pitbikes to Sonic, let's go. Right past the cops. We dropped our wheelies at the perfect time.
I know, I see him. I was like,
It's crazy, he didn't even look. Okay. I got you. Literally just hitting a tabletop in this people's front yard.
Yeah.
yeah, I'll do it number 10, but just a plain sandwich.
Sonic trip.
Yeah, it's great. We had food. I got a shit now, so let's go. Let's see what you got, babe. Oh my god. No! You just ran it! Oh, you got Baconator still there?
I don't know. Just cruise. We'll stroll through the park. All these people look so happy here. Like no one even looks mad that we're just riding dirt bikes around. It's so cool.
Yeah, dude, that one guy. Did you see that one guy?
Yeah, one guy looked pissed, but I was saying to myself, everyone looked fairly happy. They were like smiling that was coming at us.
Oh yeah, it's just good.
The one guy in the parking lot wasn't happy though.
Get those few Karens every once in a while. Yo, don't stop and trouble.
Yeah, nah. Pizza boy, find another way home.
And then all of a sudden,
Joe Dirt, how many hours did you just drive straight through?
Like 29.
29.
Maybe.
Straight to the Palmer compound.
can't miss it.
Got his pit bike right out of the back seat of a car right there. And got it assembled. Ready to rip, dude. Ready to rip. Dedicated for pit bikes. You see my roll and start? That wasn't a good idea. I just got blasted.
Holy fuck.
Moto press day. Getting it. It's like 1,000 degrees outside.